Jammin JD Sports Cards, what's going on, guys? We have a hobby box of 2017 certified cuts to break open today. I am excited about this product. Really hoping to get a cut auto. It's a really interesting checklist on this. Obviously, you have, the current players and rookies and stuff. You got some retired guys like Elway and Favre, coaches like Tom Landry. Then you have weird stuff like John Wayne and Lucille Ball. Just some cool stuff. It'd be unique to pull one of those. You also have booklets you can get, which is awesome. So hopefully we pull something nice. You got 4 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, so 48 cards total. This is a little costly. It's going to run you about $135 to $145. So kind of pricey. Especially if you don't get a cut auto. I actually have seen a few boxes without a cut, which is unfortunate. Hopefully we can pull one. Let's check it out. So there's the base card. Let's get a nice look at this. Nice looking. There's the back. It actually kind of reminds me of Topps Prime a few years back. Huh. Good looking cards though. I like it. Jason Witten. Brandon Cooks, Spacer, Cat and Bound, Von Miller, nice looking card there, and a Jordy Nelson. So there's pack 1. Todd Gurley, Tevin Coleman, first rookie Chad Hansen, number 210 of 399, and J.J. Watt. DeMarco Murray, Jarvis Landry, that's going to be our first hit, Jameis Winston, and 161 of 199, it's a Raider. Gary Conley, sticker auto. Not bad. So there's one of our autos. I think it's 2 guaranteed autos, 4 total hits. So 2 autos, 2 mem. You could get a third auto, I suppose. Hopefully our second auto is going to be a cut. Carson Palmer, Joey Bosa, another blank. Great Expectations, Myles Garrett, and Brandon Marshall. This one looks thicker. Trevor Siemian, Matthew Stafford, Le'Veon Bell. We're going to look at the back of it first. Ooh, we got James Conner to 299. It's a rookie cut. Sweet. There you have it. Very cool. So since it's a cut, it is not a sticker. That's nice. I like the little patch up here. That's actually cool. It's kind of like where the team logo would be. Put a little patch there instead. Very nice. I dig that card. Cool design. Sweet. We got to see a cut auto. Kelvin Benjamin, Dak Prescott, highlight reels, Michael Thomas. That's a cool insert. And Thomas Rawls. Drew Brees, Big Dez, another blank. Njoku, Great Expectations. And Eddie Lacy. I think it would have been nice if they had added a few more numbered cards. Forte, Hoyer, there's one. Tony Dorsett, 39 of 399. And Tyler Eifert. Looks like we got another hit in this pack. Joe Flacco, Derrick Henry, Dede Westbrook, Future Legends, not numbered, and Stephon Diggs. 3 packs to go. Tom Brady, David Johnson. Sweet. Heritage, Barry Sanders. Very nice. And Blake Bortles. Should have one more hit. Marshawn Lynch, Amir Abdullah, and here's our last hit. Ooh, we got a Bo Jackson. Very cool. 68 of 99. Too bad that's not a patch. That would have been sick, but that is cool. Historical pieces. And LaShawn McCoy. Last pack. Let's get one more numbered card. Antonio Brown. Julius Peppers. There we go. Cody Kessler. 85 of 99. And Kirk Cousins. So we got one rookie to 399. 2 other numbered cards. We got the Tony Dorsett to 399 and a Cody Kessler to 99. 5 inserts. Canton Bound. A couple Great Expectations. Highlight Reels Michael Thomas. It's a cool one. And then the Heritage Collection Barry Sanders. And then our 4 hits. The Dede Westbrook. Not numbered. Bo Jackson to 99. The 2 autos, we got a Garyon Conley to 199. And then we got a nice cut auto with a sweet patch of James Conner to 299. Not a bad box. I'd like to see a few more numbered cards or inserts when you're looking at, 135, 140 a box. But pretty cool stuff. I dig the cut autos. I'd like to see more of those. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take it easy.